In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Fortnite Reload here in Fortnite Chapter 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, overall, this is super easy to do, but if you weren't aware, Fortnite did update the UI here in Chapter 7, and so it kind of did move things around so they're not in the exact same area that they used to be. That being said, it is still easy to find. What you're going to want to do is load into Fortnite and then scroll down until you get to this Discover tab right here. Once you are on this Discover tab, all you have to do is just go ahead and navigate to the right of this little search bar to the Buy Epic category here. And if you scroll down just a little bit more, you're going to see all the game modes by Epic. And of course, in here, you're going to see Fortnite Reload. So go ahead and select that. And in here, you're going to see that you can actually access it for another 2 days, 21 hours, and 38 minutes at the time of me recording this video. Now, what does that mean? That essentially just means that on December 4th, you'll be able to load in and start playing Reload again. I think Fortnite did temporarily disable these modes just so everyone would play the new Chapter 7 season, but obviously I'm not 100% sure. That just makes sense to me logically. But yeah, December 4th, hop back on Reload. This is where you're going to access it and you'll be able to go ahead and play. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.